Mushroom toad?
I have 10 ways how to kill a blue mushroom toad.
Okay. What's number one?
Number one is you beat him up.
Okay. What's number two?
Number two is you step on his head.
Okay. What's number three?
Number three is you punch him in the balls.
Okay. I think number four is you smash him against the wall, right? Throw him against the door? The closet door.
The closet door.
Number four. Okay. What's number five?
Number five is you bang him on the door too much.
What's number six?
Number six is you drop him on the cliff.
Okay, do number seven over there in the light. What's number seven?
Number seven is just electrocuted.
Okay. Number eight? Number eight?
Number eight is you throw him really hard against your kitchen.
Okay. We already did six, kiddo. Alright, seven.
Seven is you
Oh, eight. I don't even know what number I'm on.
He fell on the cliff. Yeah.
Do eight. Eight.
8 is you film it in the ceiling.
Okay, nine.
Nine is you stab him with nine is stab him with a fork.
Okay. Okay.
It's so hard.
That's weird that would kill him. Okay. And what's the last one?
Oh,
Number 10.
Number 10 is you try to whack this on his head once. Is you trying to make him eat this. Delicious. And then
Okay, that's it. Say bye.